Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put a story on Instagram in your profile using the featured option. We start by opening Instagram and clicking on the Settings and Activity menu. Here we will click on the Archive option. At the top, we will choose the Story Archive option. Next, we click on the story we want. Then we click on the Highlight option. After that, a featured category will be created and we can give it a title. Finally, we will be able to see the Featured Stories category created with our stories in the profile. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.